and welcome back to the Success Coach. Today, we're going to be doing understanding multiplication using groups of objects. So, let's get started. Our first question is, which expression could we use to calculate the number of monkeys? We can see here there are two groups of monkeys. One group. Okay, so there are two groups of monkeys. There is one group, and there is another group, or two groups. Or we should just say one group and one group for now. Okay, so there are two groups, as we can see right here. Which expression could be used to calculate the number of monkeys? There are four options: 20 plus 2, 5 times 2, 10 times 10, and 2 times 10. So first we need to know how much monkey is in one group. Let's zoom in. You can see there is one monkey, two monkeys, three monkeys, four monkeys, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we know that these two groups are the same size. So if there is 10 right here, then there should be another 10 right here. And 10 plus 10 is 20. But we're not looking for the answer here. We're looking a way for how to solve it. So 20. 20, like that. So there's two 10s, but we also know that 10 plus 10 is also equivalent to 2 times 10. So which one of these answers says 2 times 10? It is D. We press check and it is correct. Which expression could we use to calculate these, the number of otters? We can see that there are two otters in one section. Two otters. So that means we had to skip count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 10 otters, 12, 14, and 16. So that means there are 16 otters. But we know that there's also 8 groups. So 2 times 8 would be equivalent to 16. Now which one of these, say 2 times 8? This one, or 8 times 2. That still works. Which image shows 3 times 2? So we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means this first one shows 3 times 2. Which image shows 1 times 4? The first one that shows 1 times 4. Which expression could be used to calculate the number of beavers? You can see here that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beavers. 6 beavers. And we know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 groups. So that means 6 times 8, 6 times 8 is, we press right here, check, and it was correct. Now we have flowers. You can see that there are 1, 2, 3 flowers. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So there are 7 threes, or 7 times 3, which means the correct answer would be 7 times 3, which is this right here. Which image shows 4 times 3? Now, the image that shows 4 times 3 is the first one. Anyway, guys, that is all what we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode!